everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can enable and disable fonts on Windows 10. For this, we're going to use a free app called FontBase. Before we move on to using the app, what you should do first is you should create a folder and move all the fonts that you want to use to this folder. If you've got fonts for multiple projects, it's a good idea to add a different folder for each project. So go ahead and install FontBase, and by default this app is going to let you enable and disable Google Fonts. And obviously we're looking to work with our custom fonts, so what you're going to do is you're going to add your fonts by dragging and dropping the font folders that you created onto this folder section here. And after they've been added, you can select one of the fonts and preview them, and go ahead and just click this button to enable a font or to disable it. So let me show you. I've enabled this font, and when I open Notepad, I get the font here as an option. And I'm going to go back, I'm going to disable this font, and when I return to Notepad, the font is going to be gone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.